recent hot and humid conditions throughout most
and other poor drainage areas. Some locations
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hancock County, Shelby County, central Monroe County, eastern Morgan County, Brown County, Johnson County, northern Bartholomew County, southern Marion County, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mooresville to 12 miles southwest of Bloomington, moving east at 55 miles.
More thunderstorms against Indianapolis and Bloomington this time.
This is a radar indicated threat.
So now thunderstorm chaos in Indianapolis.
Considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in
Around central
Indianapolis, Bloomington, Columbus, Shelbyville, Greenwood, Franklin, Martinsville, Mooresville, Southport, Nashville, New Whiteland, Edinburgh, Whiteland, Bargersville, Hope, Brooklyn, Flat Rock, Princes Lake, Geneva, and Morristown. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly.
This Nashville one is not like a city in Tennessee, but this is in Indiana. Probably a town. Franklin must be a city.
On the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and south central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Brown, Hancock, Johnson, Marion, Monroe, Morgan,
This Hancock looks like not like the tallest building in Chicago.
in northeast Illinois, Kentucky. When until 4:30
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories